If you're looking for a faster, cleaner, and more convenient way to handle trim and finishing work, a cordless finish nailer can be a great upgrade. In this video, we're looking at the top 5 best cordless finish nailers of 2026, comparing their power, battery life, firing performance, handling, and overall value to help you choose the right nailer for your next woodworking or DIY project.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Toolant Pneumatic Roofing Coil Nailer. The Toolant Pneumatic Roofing Coil Nailer is a durable and versatile roofing nail gun designed for fast and consistent fastening. It can drive 3/4 inch to 1/3/4 inch 15-degree wire coil nails at speeds of up to 3 nails per second, while its 120 nail coil capacity and 70 to 120 psi operating range help keep projects moving efficiently. Weighing 5.7 pounds, it features an aluminum alloy body with a Teflon coating, an anti-slip rubber grip, and dual trigger safety for improved control during overhead work. With a claimed lifespan of more than 500,000 shots, a 3/8 inch air inlet, and compatibility with roofing, siding, fencing, flashing, and asphalt shingles, it is a practical choice for both contractors and DIY users. It also includes safety glasses, a belt hook, an English-Spanish manual, and a 3-year warranty, making it a well-equipped option for demanding exterior fastening jobs. Number 2. Porter Cable RN175C 15-degree coil roofing nailer. The Porter Cable RN175C 15-degree coil roofing nailer is a reliable pneumatic roofing tool designed for fast and efficient shingle installation and other roofing applications. It features a 120 nail magazine and works with 15-degree coil roofing nails ranging from 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inches, while its adjustable depth of drive and shingle guide help provide accurate nail placement. The tool also offers a selectable trigger for sequential or contact firing, a comfortable overmolded grip, skid-resistant pads, and a dual-door magazine for convenient nail loading. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service contract, and 90-day money-back guarantee, the RN175C is a practical choice for professional roofers and DIY users looking for a durable and versatile roofing nailer. Number 3. AeroPro 15-degree coil roofing nailer. The AeroPro 15-degree coil roofing nailer is a professional-grade pneumatic roofing tool designed for fast and efficient shingle installation. It supports 3/4 inch to 1/3/4 inch 15-degree wire collated coil roofing nails and features a 120 nail magazine, helping reduce reloads during larger projects. The nailer operates at around 70 to 120 psi, has a lightweight 5.5-pound aluminum body, and includes a comfortable rubber grip for better control during extended use. Its tool-free depth adjustment allows users to achieve flush or countersunk nail placement, while the durable construction, hardened drive components, and reduced recoil design are intended to improve reliability and comfort. AeroPro also offers selectable firing modes on the CN45RA version, making it suitable for roofing and other exterior fastening applications. Number 4. AeroPro CN45N Pneumatic Roofing Nailer. The AeroPro CN45N Pneumatic Roofing Nailer is a heavy-duty coil nail gun designed for fast and reliable roofing work, particularly asphalt shingle installation. It accepts 15-degree wire collated coil nails from 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inches and features a 120 nail side-loading magazine to reduce reload interruptions. The tool operates within a 70 to 120 psi range and weighs approximately 5.5 pounds, giving it a good balance of power and maneuverability for extended roofing jobs. Its reduced recoil design helps improve comfort and control, while the rugged metal construction is intended to withstand demanding job site conditions. The CN45N also offers tool-free depth adjustment and is designed for quick maintenance and part replacement. Overall, it is a practical choice for professional roofers and serious DIY users who need a lightweight, high-capacity pneumatic nailer for consistent roofing performance. Number 5. Metabo HPT Roofing Nailer. The Metabo HPT NV1845DA18V multi-volt brushless coil roofing nailer is a powerful cordless alternative to traditional pneumatic roofing nailers, using an air spring drive system designed to deliver similar performance without a hose, gas cartridge, or compressor. It features a 120 nail side-loading magazine, accepts 16 degrees wire-collated coil roofing nails from 7/8 inch to 1 3/4 inches, and can drive up to 3 nails per second. With the included 18V 2.0 Ah battery, it can drive approximately 500 nails per charge, while compatible multi-volt batteries can provide longer runtime. The nailer also offers toolless depth adjustment, selectable sequential and bump firing modes, and a dust and tar-resistant mechanism to help protect the driver from job site debris. Weighing 8.6 pounds without the battery, it is heavier than many pneumatic models, but the cordless design provides excellent mobility for roof repairs, ridge caps, eaves, and gables. The kit includes a vinyl siding adapter, charger, carrying bag, hex wrench, and safety glasses, and Metabo HPT backs it with a lifetime toolbody warranty, 2-year battery warranty, and 1-year charger warranty.